Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Knowledge is Power. Today I'm here with another lecture video. I'll be discussing about anatomical position of our human body, some directional terms, plans of our human body. So without wasting much time, let us begin with our topic. So at first I will be discussing about the anterior and the posterior view of the human body. The anterior side is also known as ventral side. Anterior means towards the front, generally the chest side of the body. Observe the figure and hope you will understand it. Coming for the posterior side is also known as the dorsal side, is towards the back, that is towards the scapula. The scapula bones are located in the posterior side of the body. Let us discuss about the midline. It is an imaginarily vertical line down midline of the body. Midline means middle part. Medial is towards the midline or middle of the body. Lateral side is away from the midline. Next, the proximal part, it is near the middle, and distal, it is far than the middle part. It is always away from the midline of the body. Hence we call as distal end of the humerus joints with the radius of the ulna bone. Coming for the last directional term is the superior part and the inferior part. Superior means above, inferior means below. The superior part is the cranial, okay, and the inferior part is the caudal. Superior means toward the head end of the body, or we can say higher or above. Then the inferior part, which is just opposite, it is away from the head, or it is the below part. Okay, this is all about the directional terms of our human body. Now let us discuss about the last part, the different plans of our body. If the plan is median, it is also known as sagittal plan. It divides the body right and left part. Then the frontal plan is also known as coronal plan. It divides the body into anterior and posterior part. And the last plan is transverse plan, is also known as horizontal plan. The horizontal plan is parallel to the ground and it divides the body into upper part and the downward part. This is all about a short video on the anatomical position, directional terms, different plans of our body. So for more such videos related to medical or nursing topics, any kind of CHO related topics, you can comment down me in the comment section below. Or if you are new to this channel, don't forget to give the valuable feedback below and share among your friends and do support my channel. Thank you.